Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Equity markets are working their way off of yesterday's losses. We're seeing the S&P face some overhead resistance, though. There's a trend line from that high last week. Keep an eye on that, as well as the overhead resistance levels we have on the Morning Express. Now, for the NASDAQ, it's up about 1% today, and it's pairing the worst of yesterday. But ultimately, you got a lot of resistance overhead, 7,500, 75 and a quarter, and need to get out above there in order to completely neutralize yesterday's bath, as well as turn bullish here in the more immediate term. So keep an eye on that. Now, with crude oil, it is struggling to hold out above $63. Another nice move overnight has kind of dissipated here into the U.S. hours. You have inventory expectations trickling in. They're looking for a draw of crude as well as gasoline. And better get going here this week, because if it does not close out above 64 here this week on any session, you're going to start to see some profit taking or some pressure next week after Memorial Weekend. For now, constructive above about 62.5, 62.70. Those are the support levels. Watch that. And then gold, you know, it is trying to not go lower, but it's not doing a very good job of it. You got a lot of support below, but much lower. So you get about 1% lower, 1255, 1258. That's a big area where if it can wash out, it could start to bring some buyers to the table there. But other than that, we're just getting this slow grind lower now here today and yesterday, and that's not great for really attracting the buyers, because there's nothing exciting about it. Last week was a bloodbath, and there's a lot of damage on the chart. So just stay nimble on gold, and really only a close out above 1280 could start to neutralize this damage. Give us a call. We're here to help talk about anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. Check our website for updates. You can sign up for a free trial to research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.